potatoes time. Getting answers to your immigration questions. Let's go to Adam.
Hey, Brad. Hi. How are you, sir?
Brad, how are you?
Good. I have a quick question for you. So I have a friend of mine that's got some dates for you. I'll try to keep them as easy as possible.
Mm-hmm.
She is never been out of status. She got a green card through her U.S. citizen spouse.
Mm-hmm.
After 3.5 years that she got her green card, she applied for N400 under the expedited citizenship 319A.
Right. Mm-hmm.
So here's my question. They were living together 5 years prior filing and 6 months after that.
Right.
So because of COVID, in I think mid-September, the husband filed for a divorce and moved out. Now, it was 6 months after they filed, and she has an interview coming up. She hasn't withdrawn for one reason, because me and her was talking. I was looking at the manual for USCIS, and it clearly states that before the regulations were on, they were saying you got to live together until the examination, but the INA says, no, you got to live together 3 years prior to file, and that after that, you just got to be married. Now, they were living together past the filing date, and now they're still married because the divorce is not finalized. So, I mean, in my opinion, she does stand a good chance to go to the officer and disclose their situation, but if she brings the policy update from October 2018 that states, hey, the CFR is wrong. Like they're saying you got to live together until the interview, but the INA wins. That's law. Mm-hmm. And you got to be until the filing date. And after that, you just got to be married, and it doesn't matter what's going on. You know, she's in Texas, and in Texas, there's no separation. You're either married or divorced.
When did you get a green card?
She in 2016.
Okay. When in 2016?
So, I think it was August, the summer. Let's say August, early September.
All right.
So she's within 3 years.
Let me give you my opinion. My opinion is that she's going to be denied. And what I have seen immigration do throughout my entire career is you have to be living with your spouse all the way through the interview and the swearing-in date in a bona fide marriage to qualify for your naturalization based on 3 years. She should absolutely go in with the policy manual that you discovered. Go in and tell the truth. You don't want to lie, because if you lie, now you're stuck. Now you have a problem with misrepresentation, and she's going to have a problem refiling for her naturalization if she's caught in a lie. Worst case scenario is she can apply for, I think she's going to be denied, my opinion, and she can reapply for her naturalization 90 days before her 5-year anniversary in August, and just withdraw her case, or she'll be denied, and refile again in May or June, whatever 90 days is before that August date. But if she gets through and this policy that you discovered works, mazel tov, but I think she's going to be denied.
Even if their own manual specifically, Chapter 3, spouse of a U.S. citizen, states CFR is wrong, you got to be living with them only up to filing. Like you tell that to an officer, it's like, what can they come back with? That's law.
My belief is that they're going to be denied. What I have practiced law for 25 years doing this, they want to see proof of a bona fide marriage all the way through the interview and the swearing-in date.
Okay.
All right, but
all right.
Go. I mean, by all means, and then call me back and tell me I'm wrong. I would love to hear I'm wrong.
Okay, I'll let her know.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, all right. Beely in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Beely.
Hello. Yeah, my name is Blair.
Yes.
Thank you for your time.
My pleasure.
I came to the country 2014 B visa, and then I requested asylum, and I got married 2016. I got interviewed 2016 also. They referred to me 2017 court, but I didn't get up to now hearing court.
So you got put in removal in 2017, but you never got a court date?
Yes.
That's odd. Okay, are you sure that maybe they notified you and you didn't get it? Or is that possible?
They didn't notify, even the immigration, they didn't notify the court because
They never filed, so it sounds like they never filed the NTA with the court. They issued you, handed you an NTA, but it never got filed with the court.
Absolutely, they didn't file.
Right.
2018, I applied I-130, and up to now, my case is they sent the local immigration office 2 years 2 years and 8 months.
Okay,
So
you need a mandamus now because they have to file it with the court and they got to process your I-130. Other than that, you're in no man's land, which is why you're calling me and you're having this delay. You need a mandamus. Force the government to do their job, which is adjudicate your I-130 and file your NTA with the court, or terminate the NTA, one or the other.
So
Okay.
my last question is: I get 2 babies while I was waiting
What
the
happened?
immigration.
What
2
happened?
babies.
2 babies.
I get 2 babies.
Oh, congratulations. That's wonderful.
Thank you. Do I need to send there like a birth certificate, all that immigration?
Well, let's get the interview first, and then you'll bring the birth certificates to the interview because that's proof you have a bona fide marriage. Nobody has 2 babies with a wife in a business marriage.
Okay. Thank you.
So
Thank you.
Hold on.
I appreciate it.
Hold on. We'll help you. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.